Good morning, Your Honor. Christina Saxon on behalf of Mr. South. Please state your full name for the court.
Kadena Gill Self.
Thank you. You're requesting an adjournment?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're waiting, you just got appointed, you're waiting video discovery?
Correct.
Is that on its way?
We have it, Your Honor, so it should be.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned then to February 12th.
Your Honor, I'd like to make a bond modification motion.
February 12th, 2026, 9 a.m. Yes, it's the bond.
Your Honor, Ms. Self is being held on $1,000 cash bond. I'm asking for a reduction to a personal bond. It's reported to me that she and the alleged victim do not reside together. He has a different address, so she should be able to return home. And or may not be able to see. She does have a cast on that she will need to go to a physician to address, and being incarcerated, I'm afraid that she won't be able to do that to get it off in a timely manner.
Response.
Your Honor, at this point, I would object. On our bond, we requested $25,000 cash period. This involved Ms. Self stabbing the victim in the shoulder with a screwdriver. He had 5 puncture wounds that officers saw. She was also very irate and aggressive at the scene when officers arrived and were berating the victim and then had to be carried to this car. So I expect that this could potentially be other charges in the future for RNO, but at this point, I would object.
Anything else?
Yeah, I would just say that it was a highly intense situation, and berating, calling someone names does not rise to the level of incarceration, I believe, or additional charges. Calling someone names isn't enough.
Well,
but
with a screwdriver, that would do it, wouldn't it? You don't need to say anything. Motion for bond reduction denied. Bond will continue. Thank you. She's lucky I won't raise it at this point. These people versus Edna Grima.
Good morning, Honor. Charlotte Steffen on behalf of Ms. Grima.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Your Honor, we're requesting an adjournment for discovery.
The adjournment. Have you seen the progress report?
Yes, I reviewed it with my client this morning, Your Honor.
Why do I have cocaine showing up in her system?
Because, sir, when they test over there, they don't do it the levels. So I've been getting high for 48 years.
What?
Yeah. And so even though it was like, I think the last time was like New Year's Eve or January 5th, one or the other. But you don't show levels, so you don't show it going down, down, down. And therefore, if you got cocaine in your system, you just got cocaine in your system. That's how it is. But that's not okay, because it could be in my system for a long, long time, even though I don't get high.
Okay, so just so I'm clear what you're telling me.
Yes.
That on January 5th, you tested positive for cocaine. And that was just something in your system.
It should not have been.
It shouldn't have been there.
Right.
It's just stuck in your system.
But you guys don't do it by levels.
What?
You don't test it by levels to see if it's going further and further.
Okay, so then the next time you're supposed to test, you missed the test.
Huh?
Then you missed the test.
Oh, I didn't have $12.
Okay. And then the next test, almost 2 weeks later, you're testing and you test positive for cocaine. And so, hold on before because I want to make sure I've got your story. And so you're telling me that the second test for cocaine was really the same as the first test because it's just stuck in your system because you've been doing cocaine forever.
What I'm saying,
I don't know who the heck you are, but if you start yelling in my courtroom, you're going to be going with her.
Okay. This will happen on the 5th, to be honest.
What? What happened on the 5th?
I said that, wait, what happened? Let me think.
I don't know. Go ahead, think about it.
Right. What I'm saying is on the 5th, I was dirty. I had used like not that far from there, but I was scared to say so because I was scared to say so. So then the next time I didn't have the $12. And the next time
So
it was
hold
still
on. That's what I was getting at before your band started yelling out from the.
my sister. She here
Yeah,
from
all right, but
out of town.
so you're telling me
Mhm.
this test that showed up positive, you didn't use cocaine?
Which one?
The 20th.
The 20.
Last
no,
test.
No, I hadn't.
You had
Since
not
the
used
5th.
any cocaine,
No.
even though you've been using it for years.
Right. Right. It should have been clean. I'm saying I don't understand why it was dirty. But the problem is this, sir. You guys don't check the levels. So you
Oh, I can check levels.
I wish
But
y'all
not
would.
about, well, I can get the levels.
Okay.
That's not a big deal.
Okay.
The problem is because you missed the test,
Uh-huh.
if you did a little bit of cocaine, it'll look like it's going down, but you didn't use cocaine still.
Oh.
You should not be testing positive for cocaine 2 weeks later. That's the bottom line.
So no.
Grant an adjournment in this matter to February 5th, 2026, 9 a.m. That's 1 week out.
Your Honor,
You're not available that day?
correct.
That's fine. I'll set it on the 12th. At this point, the defendant's bond's revoked. She's remanded.
Damn.
What'd you say?
Excuse me. I was saying my sister.
You know, you need to take yourself on out. What? What last one? Oh, was it? Did you ever say that?
Want me to repeat it?
No, that was. You don't get that response. No, she's what? You know, talk to me about that? No, okay.